What if you could invest in the next big tech winner for under $10 a share? Not a hype stock, not a penny play, just real companies with strong fundamentals and serious growth potential. Today, we're breaking down 3 tech stocks that Wall Street analysts are watching closely. Welcome to WealthWave USA, where we make investing simple and clear. From undervalued tech companies to major market trends, we give you the insights you need to understand the opportunities in today's market. In this video, we'll look at 3 technology companies trading under $10 that analysts rate as strong buys, all with solid revenue growth and upside potential. Let's dive in. Stock number 1, Priority Technology Holdings, PRTH. First up is Priority Technology Holdings, ticker PRTH. I'm currently trading around $7 per share. This fintech company is quietly reshaping how small and mid-sized businesses handle payments. Unlike flashy startups, Priority focuses on building dependable digital payment systems. What they do. Priority helps businesses move money efficiently and securely, from collecting payments to managing deposits and vendor transfers. Their clients include retailers, online shops, and event organizers, all benefiting from faster, easier, and cost-effective financial solutions. Recent performance. The company reported earnings per share of $0.26, beating expectations. Revenue hit $240 million, up 9% from last year. Adjusted EBITDA increased 9%, and gross profit rose 13%, showing strong growth despite a challenging market. Why it matters. Companies that grow profitably in fintech are rare. Priority's full-year guidance of $990 million in revenue shows a clear growth trajectory. Analyst outlook. 5 analysts cover PRTH, 4 buys and 1 hold, giving a strong buy consensus. The average price target is $11.50, about 60% upside. B. Riley's highest target is $16, more than double the current share price. Stock number 2, Powerfleet, AIOT. Next is Powerfleet, ticker AIOT, trading around $5 per share. Powerfleet operates at the intersection of artificial intelligence and the Internet of Things, providing systems that track and optimize fleets of vehicles, shipping containers, and industrial equipment. What they do. Powerfleet allows businesses to monitor every moving asset in real time, improving safety, efficiency, and reducing costs. Their platform supports delivery trucks, forklifts, and logistics networks, all connected through one intelligent system. Recent performance. The company posted a slight loss per share of 0.08, but revenue grew 38% year-over-year to $104 million, beating estimates. AI video bookings jumped 52% quarter-over-quarter, and annualized cost savings reached $1 million. Why it matters. Powerfleet is shifting from hardware sales to a recurring revenue model through data and software solutions. Analysts see this as a strong indicator of long-term growth. Analyst outlook. 8 analysts cover AIoT, 7 buys and 1 hold. The average price target is $10, almost double the current price. B. Riley's top estimate is $15, indicating 200% growth potential. The total addressable market is around $120 billion, and Powerfleet is well positioned to capture a meaningful share. Stock number 3. ADTRAN, ADTN. Finally, ADTRAN, ticker ADTN, trading near $9 per share, is a global networking and communications company. They design fiber optic and cloud networking solutions for ISPs, enterprise clients, and government agencies. What they do. With the rise of 5G and fiber broadband, ADTRAN's technology is crucial for faster and more reliable networks. Their systems support both large-scale and local networks, powering data-heavy applications. Recent performance. ADTRAN posted flat earnings per share, but revenue reached a record $265 million, up 17% from last year. Their optical networking segment grew 22%, and access and aggregation revenue increased 30%, driven by strong fiber demand. Why it matters. ADTRAN is at the center of 2 major growth trends: global fiber rollout and the 5G infrastructure upgrade. Government funding for broadband expansion further supports long-term demand for their products. Analyst outlook. 6 analysts cover ADTN. 5 buys and 1 hold. The average price target is 12.20, about 33% upside. The highest estimate is 16 on, roughly 75% growth potential. Priority Technology Holdings, PRTH. Profitable fintech company, supporting small business payments, potential upside 60, 130%. Powerfleet, AIOT, AI plus IoT fleet management company, potential upside 100, 200%. ADTRAN, ADTN, networking leader powering 5G and fiber expansion, potential upside 33, 75%. These are real businesses with revenue, products, and strong fundamentals, not speculative penny stocks. Analysts see meaningful upside, making them worth watching for. Investors looking for early-stage opportunities. Risk disclaimer. This is not financial advice. Investing involves risk, and stocks under $10 can be volatile. Always do your own research and assess your risk tolerance before investing. If you found this breakdown helpful, like this video and share it with someone interested in growth opportunities. Subscribe to WealthWave USA for clear insights on stocks and market trends. Stay informed, think strategically, and invest wisely.